Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for coming. And I know it's a busy week for everybody. I'd just like to do the formals. I'd like to thank everyone who's made this evening special. One is, of course, Bacardi, who's out there, who gives us a laugh. Then who are my publishers. And of course, the biggest thank you goes to Glenburn.
So good evening, friends. Congratulations, Karen. Yes, Karen and I go back 15 years. She helped us set up My Kolkata at that time. And what I will say about Karen, we know about her culinary skills, we know about various books and talks and articles that she writes that we read. But what I admire is, together with this, she's an amazing aesthete who has a great sense of aesthetics, a wonderful style. And I remember the first time I met her, she was just like a tornado breeze blowing into my room. So that's my impression of Karen. Besides, of course, her immense stature, a great friend, a great conversationalist. You can be with her one whole evening and you won't tire out of stories.
I'm still looking forward to trying out the recipes for Masala and Memsahib, written by Karen Anand, and also reading more stories about that Q&As.
It was a pleasure to be here at Karen's launch, the book launch, Masala Memsahib. Karen has been a very, very good friend for many, many years. I've enjoyed talking about many things apart from eating fabulous food and attending her fabulous events she does around food. And she is a great conversationalist and someone that you can really, really spend intimate and good quality time with.
I think when you enter a room and you meet somebody like Karen, it blows your mind because she's such a flurry of energy. And I hope when I'm her age, I have that kind of energy. The book looks amazing. There's some really, really beautiful photos inside. I was just taking a glimpse through and we'll pick up a copy and be able to read it.
Hey.